the Big Daddy Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a segment outside. I got a little prime rib that's on, pre-sliced that is. Then I got it with that top Texas spice on top of it, all over it, been marinating. Got a little sauce, a little boudin. Here, come take a look. Also on our show, we have sponsors. And you'll see in the middle of our show, we'll actually bring our sponsors on for a commercial, or we might bring them here live. You just never know. Back. And we're gonna take it off the grill now, baby. Let's see what we're working with. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Welcome to Big Daddy's Kitchen. Huh? Big Daddy's cooking again. Beast in it.